The following is a wind chill warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, DeKalb, Kane, Lee, Ogle, and Winnebago. What? Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 35 below zero expected. Where? Portions of north central and northeast Illinois. When? Until noon Sunday. Impacts. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as few as 10 minutes. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For tonight,